Welcome to our step-by-step guide on resetting your Wi-Fi router. In this video, we will explore the importance of Wi-Fi routers and discuss some common issues that may require a reset. Are you experiencing connectivity issues? Here are some signs that indicate your router might need a reset, like frequent disconnections or slow internet speeds. Let's discuss the two types of resets: a soft reset, which retains your settings, and a hard reset, restoring factory defaults. Knowing when to use each is crucial. Before we begin, gather these items: a power source, a paperclip for the reset button, and your router's manual for any specific instructions. To perform a soft reset, simply unplug your router, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This can resolve many common connectivity issues without losing your settings. For a hard reset, locate the reset button on your router. Hold it down for about 10 seconds until the lights blink, indicating a factory reset. After a hard reset, you'll need to reconfigure your router. Use your device to access the router's interface and set up your Wi-Fi network, remembering to select a strong password for security. Once your router is set up, it's time to test the connection. Ensure your device connects smoothly and that your internet speed meets your needs. If you encounter issues after resetting, don't panic. Refer to our troubleshooting tips, such as checking for firmware updates or rebooting your modem. Regularly resetting your Wi-Fi router can help maintain optimal performance. Thanks for watching, and stay connected.